Hi everyone, welcome to this video about Ready Player Me Studio. Ready Player Me Studio is a developer workspace designed to assist you in integrating Ready Player Me and managing your integrations. Once you create a Ready Player Me Studio account, you can obtain your own avatar creator URL, you can modify the appearance of the avatar creator, upload and manage custom outfits into your system, and also create API keys to access our RESTful API endpoints to get 2D and 3D avatars directly through web requests. You can also use our AI-supported Copilot in Ready Player Me Studio to get answers to your questions, get in touch with our support team, also check our documentation. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Ready Player Me YouTube channel and like this video, and let's get started. Alright, so I'm in studio.readyplayer.me sign-in page right now. This is the landing page and it asks me to enter my email and password to log in. I want to show you how the account creation steps as well. So I'm going to click on this sign up here link and start creating an account. My email address already has a Ready Player Me Studio account, so I won't be able to use it. For that purpose, I'm going to create a temporary email address and use it. You can definitely go ahead with your own email address and create your account. So I'm just going to copy this email and paste it here. Let me call this Joan Doe, some random account. It's going to suggest me some password. Firefox does that. I have it. And I'm going to click on accepting terms of use and privacy policy checkbox and create an account. So first window you will get is some setup steps. First of all, I'm going to set the name of my application. Let's call it test application, and my website is example.com and company name example. So you can again go ahead and set up your website and company name. If you do not own a company or do not want to use Ready Player Me for some company project, you can also click on I don't have a company checkbox right here. I'm going to click on next, and then it's going to ask you about what kind of project you want to integrate Ready Player Me in. Let's say I'm going to integrate it in Unity, and I will use it in my game project. So if you have any visual content about the game, some links we can follow and see what your project is. This is not mandatory and it doesn't block you from not using Ready Player Me. So you can definitely add visuals there. So it makes us understand your use case. We might even help you with announcing or some kind of media campaigns in the future. We really like to get visual content from you. So I'm going to click on finish setup, and in a couple of seconds we are going to land into Ready Player Me Studio editor. So there I will be able to see my first application, which is right here, and you can see on the left side we have certain tabs that helps us access different parts of the different features of the Ready Player Me Studio. First thing I want to show you is of course my applications tab. So we just created this first application we have, and I can actually click here to see its details. This is the subdomain I'm assigned to. This is my editor URL. I can copy it and I can actually visit this URL already. So I have a Ready Player Me instance ready to use right here. So you can get your users to use this already. Of course, I can modify it. We are going to cover these steps in another video, but let's go back, and you can, if you want to use another instance of Ready Player Me for some other project, you can also create another application. So it's going to be the same steps that we just handled, and you can create another application, let's say for another project you have, which is not a game, or maybe, you know, some other integration, which is completely possible. We have Asset Manager. This is the part where you can actually upload your own 3D creations into Ready Player Me. And we have Asset Designer, which is an easy to use texture editing system that helps you use our modular outfits with your own designs. You can go to API keys section to create API keys for using RESTful API of Ready Player Me to make web requests to get certain, details, categories, assets. So you can pretty much build your own Ready Player Me using just API level access. And of course we have AI Copilot inside Ready Player Me Studio. If you have a question you couldn't find in the documentation, you can ask it directly here. It is going to tell you what is possible, or if it's possible or covered in the documentation at all. And you can get to our getting started with Ready Player Me quick start section. It's gonna lead you to our documentation and the specific parts that you wanna deal with. It could be Unity SDK, Unreal SDK, web or mobile integrations, and so forth. Again, documentation URL is also available here. You can go to docs.readyplayerme to our documentation. You can check the changelog. If there are new features of Ready Player Me, you will definitely see them here. So this is also a very important page to keep your eyes on, coming and checking once in a while to see what is new with Ready Player Me. And finally, you can get in touch with our support team directly through our support portal. So you can search for questions or directly ask technical, legal, or other questions, or even report bugs or suggest features. Very simply, this is how Ready Player Me Studio works. So thank you so much for tuning in. And again, make sure to subscribe to the Ready Player Me YouTube channel and like this video, and see you in the next videos.